How to turn off double-click for the App Store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off double-click for the App Store. First, go to the Wallet app on your phone. To use it with a double-click, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and reach the Wallet and Apple Pay option. Then tap on it and find the double-click button. Once you find it, turn off the button if it is already turned on. You can get cards and passes ready at any time by double-clicking the side button. After toggling off, this feature will not be available. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.